Welcome to the Bouquet Farm. So this is our chicken coop. We love having chickens, getting fresh eggs. We converted this, used to be an old goat shed, and now it is our chicken coop. We've got a nice chicken run on here for them, although our chickens are very spoiled and live their life on the farm every day. So over here we used to have our sprout boxes where we had our vegetable garden. The chickens and the vegetable garden were not working together as they were eating everything. So I will show you those at a later date where we have moved them and we are creating a new vegetable garden. So over here we have planted a mini apple orchard, and I have planted my favorite varieties like Honeycrisp and Gala apples. Over here we have created a herb garden, and we use a lot of our herbs for our florals that we do here on the farm. Right now we're in early spring, so not too much is up, but come summer this will be full of life.